Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing this quick natural glam look with you guys. This is the look that I do when I want to look like something but I don't want to do too much. So if you're interested, of course, keep watching. So I started by blending in the shadow in my crease, and then I decided just to put it all over my lid just to look like I'm doing some kind of eyeshadow look without having to do too much blending. And that was it for the eyes, and I went straight into my foundations. I'm gonna have all the information in the description box below, but here I mix my Nars foundation with Fenty, and that's kind of like my little go-to combination. So I mix those two, and then I'm just applying it with my dome brush. Now I'm just highlighting under my eyes using a concealer that's about 2 shades brighter than my skin tone. It's Peanut Butter by Too Faced. And then the rest of my face, like my nose, above my lip, and my chin, I highlighted with the Tarte concealer, and this one is like 3 to 4 shades brighter to give me a brighter highlight in those areas. So all the areas that I highlighted with, I'm now just setting it with the Mercier translucent setting powder, and I just use my finger to press out under my fine lines in case any foundation settled there, so that there won't be any creasing. So I just smooth it out and then apply the powder. And now I'm just going to bronze in my face with my favorite bronzer right now. This is the Fenty bronzer, and I'm in love with it. So I'm just kind of doing a quick little bronze. I ended up actually doing a whole lot of bronze, but yeah, it's okay. It's winter time. I could bronze all up and look like I've been to the islands. I'm putting my lid color under my lash line, and this helps to hide these deep fine lines that I have. My favorite blush in the world, MAC's Copper Tone. Just applying those on my cheeks. I push it into my skin instead of like brushing it. I'm kind of like patting it into the skin. And then it's my favorite part, which is highlighter, and this Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter is one of my all-time favorites. So I'm just applying that on my cheekbones, under my brow bone, above my brows, and everywhere where I just want to be a little bit glowy. Okay, so to blend everything together, I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury face powder, just brushing it all over to get everything to come together nicely. For the lips now, I'm using my MAC Cork pencil. I love this pencil. I showed it in my MAC favorites video, and I'm also using my MAC Honeylove lipstick, and that's one of my favorite combinations ever. So I decided to go back in and add some highlight to my inner corners because like I said, this is my glam look, and I wanted to be glam without having to do too much. So this absolutely helps that, and of course adding a little black liner to my waterline as well. And then I just go ahead and spray my face. This isn't a setting spray, but it's a spray that's going to help to melt the powder so your face can look still more skin-like. And that's it. This is my easy, effortless glam. If you like this video, of course, give me a thumbs up to let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.